Hi, and welcome to my Yukon Trails review. I'm sure there are plenty of campgrounds in the Wisconsin Dells to choose from, but how many of them are free? Sometimes it's good to be a Thousand Trails member. Let's jump right in. When I checked in, I was greeted by a friendly staff at the campground store. I love having a store at my campground. It's just, so good for morale, and it raises the energy of the campground. I feel like everyone's just a little more cheerful when there's a store on site. In fact, the staff seemed very happy to tell me there would be a cookout later that day, and I was happy to tell them I'd be attending. Yukon Trails is in a lovely little forest, and I'll be the first to admit backing in it was a little tight trying to navigate around some of these trees. But the site was quite long and pretty level, so I was a happy camper. Where to first? I love this, and while I never did take in a movie here, I did warm up by the fire. Cornhole seems to be the thing here, and I kind of wonder if they actually have tournaments. Let me know in the comments if you've been here when they had a friendly cornhole competition. But if cornhole's not your game, you can shoot baskets, do some tethering, or golf some balls into a toilet. Well, these were the adult activities, of course, but there's plenty of things for the kiddies to do too. There's a playground, a sand pit, and even a train ride on the weekends. But for me, stretching my legs on the little nature trail and soaking in the pool was the best way to settle in after a long travel day. Now, in the last portion of this video, I'm going to show you some things to do in the Wisconsin Dells. If you'd like to find out more about Thousand Trails and how you can stay at campgrounds like this for free, check out my description page and don't forget to like and subscribe. There's plenty of entertainment and dining options in the Wisconsin Dells. I'm going to help you avoid one of the worst tourist traps I've ever seen. First, it's an absolute yes to Max. It's also a yes to the Wisconsin Ducks boat tour. But it's a huge no to Top Secret Museum, and here's the secret. It's one of the worst tourist traps I've ever seen. Hey, I like giant transformers and upside down buildings and even tourist traps as much as the next person, but the exhibits here were just absolute nonsense. Avoid Top Secret. But if you can, do the Wisconsin Duck Tour on an especially hot day because you're going to get wet. Now, there are some more mellow boat rides in the Wisconsin Dells. Check out the Upper Dells boat tour. Now I'm going to take you out with a little bit of music and the jumping dog. Be sure to wait till the end to see the death-defying jumping dog.